Good morning, YouTube. Feeling a little bit goofy today. So, back for a new video. We're just doing a couple of simple bracelets today. You know, they're my Shema bracelets that are a very good seller, and I wear an English version. So if you ever wonder what my bracelet is, it's the Shema, Deuteronomy 6, but mine's in English. Here's a Hebrew one. So, but these are going to be fancy. They're going to be laced, lined. There's going to be some color shifting on there, probably some gold. And they were actually personalized too. Kind of hoping you guys can't see the names on them. They're very tiny, and I'm going to be shooting from my GoPro overhead because I'm shooting on a different camera here. Hopefully with the GoPro being overhead and it's kind of far away, you won't be able to see that kind of detail. But if you do, I mean, if I see it while editing, then I'll probably just go ahead and blur it out. I'm no longer shooting my intros and outros and any other time I have to talk on my GoPro. I do have a new camera. I'm very excited about it. I am shooting in 4K, and this is a Canon M50. And today I'm actually going to go pick up the lens thing so I can put my EFS lenses on there, my EF and my EFS lenses, because as of right now this will only accept EF-M lenses, so that way I can get a wider view and you're not like looking directly at my face. If I see me looking off, you know, I'm looking at the screen and not the camera, I might have to pull a Casey Neistat and put some like cheap $6 drugstore, liquor store sunglasses on so I don't do that, but then I don't want to look that way. I just need to get used to looking here. But at least I can look over there and I'm like, hey, I'm in frame, I'm in focus. Let's just get to it. So I will start off by saying that these bracelets have been cut and engraved on my laser. So my laser is a Glowforge. I have the Glowforge Plus. So it's not the one with the slot through, but it is the one, it does have the 45 watt CO2 laser inside of it. They were cut there. They were engraved there. The rest of this process, I mean, because you've seen me cut and do stuff on the laser before. Hopefully, if not, go back and watch some other videos and I'm sure you'll see it there. I'm just talking for no reason and I need to get to work here. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video, but let's get to work. Hi everybody, thanks for watching this video of I made these two Shema bracelets. It's really hard to tell in the light here that I have here, but they have a color shifting pigment. It's a gold green on top of medium brown, and it will shift, and it's easier to see in like sunlight or just not even over the camera. But anyway, these are my elaborate bracelets that I make, and these ones are also personalized. They do have the client's request of the names down here that they wanted. They have great snaps, linings, and they have been laced. As you saw in the video though, I only showed, lacing the one side because it's, it's lacing. It's like sewing. I mean, how much of that do you actually want to see? Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and get these off to my clients, and I'm going to get this video edited and posted for you guys to watch this week. And other than that, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the little bell icon with the little all thing if you want to get notifications of my future videos. And yeah, okay, thanks. We'll see you next time.